Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Sakshi here and today I'll be sharing this really yummy no cheese pink sauce pasta recipe. The pasta turns out really creamy and is quite healthy too. So this is the list of ingredients that we'll need. You'll also be able to find some more tips in the description box below, so please do check that out. Our first step would be to boil the pasta. So we've half filled this vessel with some tap water, and once it gets a roaring boil, we'll add in a teaspoon of oil and a teaspoon of salt, and then we can add in the pasta. So 3/4 cup of macaroni pasta is enough for this recipe. You could also add in some penne or fusilli or any variety of pasta, that's totally up to you. We'll keep stirring this at regular intervals of 2-3 minutes and boil it until it's al dente, or you could just boil it as per the instructions on the package. Once it's done, we'll take it off in a sieve and then pour some cold water over it so as to prevent any overcooking. And then we'll prep for the veggies. So in the pan, I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of butter and a teaspoon of oil. Once that's hot, we'll add in 2 tablespoons of minced or finely chopped garlic and saute it on a medium flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. We'll then add in 1 medium finely chopped onion and once again cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes. We could add in some salt so as to help the onions cook faster until they are translucent. I'm just going to add in a dash of water. So these look done now, and then we can add in a cup of finely julienned or chopped spinach. We'll again toss this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Add in 1/3 cup or around 5 to 6 tablespoons of parboiled corn. Then we'll add in 2 tablespoons of this ready-made tomato paste. You could replace it with 1/4 cup of fresh tomato puree. We'll give it a very good mix and then do the seasoning. So I'm going to add in some mixed herbs, white pepper and chili flakes, around half teaspoon each. You could add it as per your preference. Give it a good mix again and we'll set it aside. Next we'll make our white sauce. I'm going to add in a tablespoon of butter and 1.5 tablespoons of maida. You could also use wheat flour. We'll give it a good mix and roast it for about 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame until it's light brown. And then while continuously whisking, we'll add in a cup of milk. It's important to continuously mix so as to prevent any lumps. Keep the flame very low at this point of time. And then we'll add in another half cup of milk and mix it very well together. As you can see, it's completely lump free. We'll now cook it on a medium flame for around 6 to 7 minutes until it thickens up while continuously whisking. For the creaming agent, I'm going to add in cashew butter, 2 teaspoons and a teaspoon of tahini. You could use either one of them, or instead you could even soak some cashews and then crush it to a smooth paste. So this is the main creaming agent in the recipe. Now we'll whisk very well together as there are chances of lumps to be formed. And it's very nice and thick now. This is how it should be. It's ready. And we'll pour the hot sauce into the vegetables that we just prepared and give it a good mix. And as we mix, we'll notice that the color turns a really nice pink. That is exactly what we want. I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of milk to help adjust the consistency. And next I'm going to do the seasoning for the entire mix. I'm going to add in enough salt to taste. And once again some mixed herbs, chili flakes and white pepper. We'll give it a good mix. And then I'm going to add in a dash of light cooking cream. You could avoid it. Give it a good mix again. And add in a little bit of brown sugar to help balance all the flavors. And then we'll dump in the boiled pasta. We'll give it a gentle mix to help prevent the pasta from breaking. And this delicious dish is ready. It's time to serve. So I really hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Please do give it a try and share your reviews in the comment section below. And do like, share and subscribe to Flavors, and stay tuned for more recipes. Until next time, this is Sakshi signing off. Bye!